Ready for the next level of touring performance? The 2025 Honda NT 850 V3 is here, and it's about to set the road on fire with cutting-edge features, power, and luxury. Let's dive into what makes this machine a must-have for any serious rider. Hey there, Biker's Choice family! Welcome back to the channel that brings you the latest and most exciting news in the world of motorcycles. Today we've got something truly special lined up for all you touring enthusiasts out there. The all-new 2025 Honda NT 850 V3. This bike is a masterpiece of engineering, combining Honda's legendary reliability with advanced technology and world-class touring capabilities. In today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about the NT 850 V3 and why it might just be your next adventure companion. Let's jump in. Redesigned and ready to impress, the 2025 Honda NT 850 V3 has undergone a complete redesign, making it sleeker, more aggressive, and better equipped for long-haul journeys. Honda has clearly redefined the concept of a touring bike by integrating stylish, aerodynamic lines and a bold new front end. The updated fairing not only enhances the bike's aesthetic appeal, but also improves wind resistance, providing you with a smoother ride, even at highway speeds. The dual LED headlights, sharper lines, and integrated bodywork ensure that the NT 850 V3 stands out from the crowd, blending futuristic design with practicality. Engine and performance. Let's talk about the engine. The NT 850 V3 is powered by an 850cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that offers a perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency. Honda has tuned the engine to deliver seamless power delivery, making it easy to cruise on highways and tackle winding roads with ease. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, this bike provides the smooth, controlled acceleration you need for long-distance travel. The engine is designed to handle both high-speed cruising and slower, more technical rides, so no matter where your journey takes you, the NT 850 V3 will handle it all with finesse. Advanced technology. One of the most exciting features of the 2025 NT 850 V3 is the cutting-edge technology Honda has packed into this bike. First, let's talk about the all-new ride-by-wire throttle system, which provides precise throttle control and responsiveness. Paired with the electronic cruise control system, long highway rides have never been easier or more comfortable. The NT 850 V3 also comes with a fully digital TFT display, providing you with everything you need at a glance: trip info, navigation, fuel efficiency, and more, all displayed in high-definition clarity. And for added convenience, the bike also comes with smartphone connectivity, allowing you to sync your device and control music, navigation, and even take calls on the go. Comfort and touring features. When it comes to touring, comfort is king, and the NT 850 V3 has been designed with exactly that in mind. The seat is crafted to provide long-lasting comfort on those extended rides, and the adjustable handlebars allow for a personalized riding posture. The suspension system is fully adjustable, meaning you can fine-tune the bike to match your load and riding style, whether you're cruising solo or packing for a week-long adventure. Plus, the spacious luggage capacity and integrated panniers ensure you can carry all your gear without compromising your comfort or the bike's handling. Safety features. Safety is always a priority with Honda, and the NT 850 V3 comes with some impressive features to keep you secure. The bike is equipped with Honda's advanced ABS system, which works in conjunction with the dual-disc front and rear brakes to provide exceptional stopping power, even in challenging conditions. Combined with traction control, the NT 850 V3 ensures maximum stability, whether you're riding in rain, mud, or on uneven terrain. Additionally, the bike features adaptive LED lighting that adjusts to your speed and lean angle, providing better visibility in all riding conditions. When you ride the NT 850 V3, you can do so with confidence, knowing you're equipped with top-tier safety features. Price and availability. Now let's talk about price. While Honda hasn't officially announced the price yet, the NT 850 V3 is expected to fall in the premium touring category, offering all the luxury features and advanced tech you'd expect from a bike of this caliber. However, considering Honda's commitment to delivering great value for money, the NT 850 V3 will likely be priced competitively when it hits dealerships in late 2025. For the price, you're getting a bike that's not just built for performance, but for luxury and convenience, making it an excellent choice for serious touring riders. Conclusion: So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Honda NT850 V3 the perfect bike for your next long-distance adventure? With its powerful engine, cutting-edge technology, exceptional comfort, and top-notch safety features, the NT850 V3 is designed to make every ride an unforgettable experience. If you're serious about touring, this bike is definitely worth considering. Be sure to subscribe to Biker's Choice for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest bikes hitting the market. Like this video, drop us a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, ride safe and ride in style. Get ready for a new era of power and performance. Honda's iconic CG160 is making a grand return in 2025, and it's ready to take your riding experience to the next level. Hey, Biker's Choice family! Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the freshest updates, reviews, and everything motorcycle related. Today we've got something special for you. Honda is launching the all-new CG160 in 2025, and trust us, this legendary bike is back with some serious upgrades. Whether you're a commuter or a performance enthusiast, the CG160 is built to impress. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about the 2025 Honda CG160, from its design and performance to its incredible value. A timeless design with a modern twist, the Honda CG160 has always been known for its simplicity, durability, and timeless design. In 2025, Honda has taken the classic look of the CG160 and refined it with a modern touch. The bike retains its robust frame and minimalist style, but now comes with sleeker bodywork, sharper lines, and an updated fuel tank design that gives it a more dynamic, aggressive appearance. The updated headlamp design with LED lighting not only enhances the bike's aesthetics, but also ensures better visibility at night, providing a safer riding experience. Honda has stayed true to the CG legacy, delivering a bike that combines function with style in perfect harmony. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2025 Honda CG160 is a 162.7 cubic centimeter, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that delivers impressive power and fuel efficiency. With around 15 horsepower, the CG160 offers a great balance of performance, making it ideal for both urban commuting and longer highway rides. Whether you're cruising through city streets or navigating winding roads, the CG160 delivers smooth and responsive acceleration while also being easy to handle. Honda's signature PGMFI programmed fuel injection system ensures efficient fuel consumption, allowing you to go further while using less fuel, perfect for daily commuting without breaking the bank. Technology features. While the CG160 is known for its simplicity, Honda hasn't left out key modern features that enhance your riding experience. The fully digital instrument cluster offers riders a clear and easy-to-read display of essential information such as speed, trip data, fuel consumption, and more. It's simple but effective, designed to keep you informed without overcomplicating things. Additionally, the CG160 features a new integrated ignition system that ensures a smoother start every time, making your daily ride more convenient. Though it keeps the basics intact, this bike is packed with just the right amount of tech to meet today's needs without overwhelming you. Comfort and ergonomics. Honda has put a strong emphasis on comfort with the CG160. Whether you're riding for a short city commute or embarking on a longer ride, the ergonomics of the CG160 make it easy to enjoy your journey. The seat has been redesigned to provide better support and comfort for longer rides, and the handlebars are positioned to create a natural and relaxed riding posture. The bike's lightweight frame and responsive suspension system make it easy to maneuver in traffic, while the rear monoshock suspension ensures a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces. The Honda CG160 is built for everyday riders, offering a comfortable, user-friendly experience without compromising on performance. Safety features. Safety is always a top priority, and Honda has equipped the CG160 with a range of features to give you peace of mind on the road. The bike comes with a disc brake at the front and a drum brake at the rear, providing excellent stopping power in both dry and wet conditions. Honda's combined braking system, CBS, ensures that both brakes are applied in unison for more balanced braking, giving you greater control, especially in emergency situations. The durable tires and stable suspension contribute to the CG160's solid handling, making it a safe and stable ride for all types of conditions. Price and availability. One of the best aspects of the Honda CG160 is its affordability. Honda has made sure to keep the price accessible, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking for a reliable, durable motorcycle without spending a fortune. Expect the CG160 to be available in mid-2025 at a price point that delivers excellent value for a bike that offers fantastic performance, efficiency, and features. Whether you're a first-time rider or looking for an everyday commuter, the CG160 provides top-tier quality at a budget-friendly price. Conclusion: so, is the 2025 Honda CG160 the bike for you? If you're after a no-nonsense motorcycle that combines reliable performance, modern features, and a timeless design, this bike is definitely worth your attention. It's perfect for those looking for a commuter bike, a reliable workhorse, or even someone who enjoys long rides on weekends. With its blend of affordability, performance, and practicality, the Honda CG160 is ready to become your go-to ride in 2025. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Biker's Choice for more updates and reviews on the latest motorcycles. As always, ride safe, ride smart, and we'll see you in the next video.